Hello, everyone. Welcome to Joe and Anna English Podcast. I am Joe.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. We're really happy you're here today.
You know what? Let me ask you something simple. Do you like talking about food? Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with real conversations, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us and it helps you practice more English.
That's a great question. Most people love food.
Yes, food is a very easy topic,
Everyone eats. Everyone has favorite food.
but many English learners feel nervous.
I see that a lot. Students know the food but forget the words.
Exactly. Someone asks, "What's your favorite food?" And suddenly, silence.
Oh, really? That happens so often.
But here's the good news. You don't need difficult English.
Simple words are enough.
Words like food, taste, favorite.
Yes, very simple and very useful.
Food is also emotional.
That's interesting. Food connects to memories.
Family meals, holidays, comfort moments.
Wow, that's true.
So when you talk about food, conversation feels natural.
And friendly.
In this episode, we will help you talk about food in English.
Step by step, slow and clear.
You will learn how to say what you like
How to describe taste.
and how to share food memories.
All with simple English.
No textbook feeling.
Just real conversation.
Think of this episode like chatting with friends.
Relaxed, warm, easy.
By the end, talking about food will feel comfortable.
Now let's start together. Here's a question for you. What is your favorite food? Why do you like it? Write one simple sentence in the comments.
Now let's talk about favorite food. This question comes up very often. People usually ask, "What's your favorite food?"
Yes, it's a very friendly question.
You can answer in a simple way. My favorite food is pizza.
That's easy and clear.
You can also say, "I like rice," or "I love noodles."
All of these sound natural.
But here's a small tip. Always say why you like it,
Oh, really? Why is that important?
because the reason makes your answer interesting.
I see. It feels more like real conversation.
For example, "I love pizza because it's cheesy."
That sounds great. Very clear.
Or you can say, "My favorite food is soup because it's warm."
Wow, that feels cozy already.
You don't need long sentences. One reason is enough.
Yes, simple English works best.
Let me give another example. "I like fruit because it's fresh."
That's easy to remember.
Now let's try a short conversation. What's your favorite food?
I love pasta because it's filling.
Oh, really? Do you eat it often?
Yes, I eat it on weekends.
See, that's a natural flow.
It feels friendly and relaxed.
You can also change the reason, taste, memory, or feeling.
That's interesting. Many choices.
For example, "I love rice because my family eats it together."
Wow, that sounds warm.
Food often connects to people.
Yes, that's why this topic is easy.
So remember this pattern: food plus reason.
Favorite food plus feeling.
Now it's your turn to practice.
What is your favorite food? Why do you like it? Write one sentence in the comments.
Now let's talk about taste and texture. This makes food talk more interesting. People often ask, "How does it taste?"
Yes, that question comes up a lot.
We can start with very simple taste words: sweet, salty, and spicy.
Those are easy and useful.
For example, "I like chocolate because it's sweet."
That sounds nice already.
Or you can say, "I enjoy soup because it's salty."
I see. Very clear.
Now let's talk about spicy food.
Oh, wow. Many people love spicy food.
Yes, I like noodles because they're spicy.
That sounds exciting.
Taste is one thing, texture is another. Texture means how food feels in your mouth.
That's interesting. Can you give examples?
Sure, crispy, soft, and creamy.
Oh, really? Those words are common.
For example, fried chicken is crispy,
Wow, I can imagine that.
or cake is soft and creamy.
That sounds delicious.
We can also mix taste and texture.
Like sweet and soft?
Exactly. I love ice cream because it's sweet and creamy.
That sounds great.
Let's try a short example together. How does your favorite food taste?
It's spicy and crispy.
Oh, really? Do you eat it often?
Yes, I eat it on weekends.
See how easy that is?
Yes, simple words tell a strong story.
You don't need many adjectives. 2 words are enough.
That helps beginners a lot.
Now, think about your favorite food.
Is it sweet, salty, or spicy? Is it crispy, soft, or creamy? Write one sentence in the comments.
Now, let's talk about food memories and feelings. Food is more than taste. Food often reminds us of people and moments.
Yes, food can bring back memories.
For example, food from home feels special.
Oh, really? I feel that too.
I love simple meals. They remind me of family time.
That's warm. Food connects us.
We can use easy sentences. I remember this food.
Or, this food reminds me of home.
Exactly. Very simple English. Let me share a small memory. I remember eating soup on cold days.
Wow, that sounds comforting.
It made me feel calm and safe.
I see. Feelings make the story real.
What about you? Do you have a food memory?
Yes, I remember rice and eggs in the morning
Oh, really? Why that food?
because my family ate it together. It felt warm and happy.
That's beautiful. Short sentences say a lot.
Yes, you don't need long stories.
You can also talk about comfort food.
Comfort food makes you feel better.
For example, my comfort food is soup.
That sounds nice.
Or you can say, this food makes me feel relaxed.
I like that sentence.
Let's try a small example. What food reminds you of home?
Bread reminds me of my childhood. My mother made it often.
Wow, that feels very personal. See? Food stories build connection.
Yes, they help people understand you.
Now it's your turn to share.
What food reminds you of home or family? How does it make you feel? Write 1 or 2 simple sentences in the comments.
Now let's talk about food you don't like. This can feel difficult. Sometimes people offer you food. You don't want to be rude.
Yes, that happens often.
Good news. English has polite ways to say no. We don't say, I hate this food.
Oh, yes, that sounds too strong.
Instead, we can say polite sentences.
Like what?
For example, it's not really my thing.
I like that. It sounds gentle.
Or you can say, I'm not a big fan of spicy food.
That feels friendly.
You can also use prefer. I prefer mild food.
Oh, really? That's very useful.
Sometimes you try new food. It's okay if you don't like it. You can say, I tried it once, but I didn't enjoy it.
I see. That sounds honest.
Let me share a small story. I tried very spicy food once.
Wow. How was it?
It was a surprise. My mouth was on fire.
Oh no, that sounds funny.
I smiled and said, it's interesting, but too spicy for me.
That's a great example.
You stayed calm and polite. Mistakes and surprises are normal. Food experiences are different for everyone.
Yes, that's okay.
Let's try a short conversation. Do you like spicy food?
Not really, it's not my favorite.
Oh, really? What do you prefer?
I prefer mild food, it feels better for me.
Perfect. Very polite and clear. Remember, your tone matters too.
Smile and speak calmly.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Is there a food you don't like? How do you say it politely in English? Write one sentence in the comments.
Now it's time to review today's key words. Let's look at them together. First word is food. Food is what we eat every day.
For example, I like food that is simple and fresh.
Next word is taste. Taste means how food feels in your mouth.
Like sweet, salty, or spicy.
Favorite is another important word. Favorite means the one you like the most.
My favorite food is rice.
Now let's review taste words. Sweet means sugary and pleasant.
Chocolate tastes sweet.
Spicy means hot and strong.
Spicy food makes my mouth warm.
Crispy is about texture. It makes a crunch sound.
Fried chicken is crispy.
Soft means easy to chew.
Bread is soft and warm.
Creamy means smooth and thick.
Ice cream is creamy.
We also learned memory. Memory is something you remember.
This food brings back good memories.
Comfort food is food that makes you feel better.
Soup is my comfort food.
Prefer is another useful word. Prefer means you like one thing more.
I prefer mild food.
You learned many useful words today, and you used them in sentences.
Yes, that's real progress.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
You just need to keep speaking.
Try to use one new word today. Say it out loud.
Or write one sentence.
Before we finish, thank you for learning with us today. If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and subscribe.
It really helps the channel.
Now here is your final question.
What is your favorite food and how does it taste? Write 1 or 2 sentences in the comments.